making an easy surprise. I'm putting sprinkles on the marshmallow. Now I'm going to put white frosting on my cupcake. Make sure you cover the whole cupcake. I'm almost finished. I like chocolate cake. Now I'm going to put the marshmallows on top. Now I'm going to put the red jelly bean on the middle. Put 2 mini marshmallows under the jelly bean. Here's a peek. Put 2 eyeball candies. We made a bunny cupcake. See? Happy Easter!